You walked in wearing that tight red satin dress, hugging every curve like a sweet little confess. Every boy froze when you licked your lips slow, locked eyes with me and said, let's see how bad you wanna go. You got a way of burning me without even using your hands. You're so fine, you blow my mind when you press up